Okay, let me just remind those people who keep on bashing this administration. So, look back tayo kung ano yung mga previous administration. Okay? So, let me remind you, before there is a rampant laglag bala. Now, it's already a thing in the past. So, we are awarded as the world's most improved airport. Kita nyo naman. And then, if you remember, before the MRT, it was known for its infamous monikers such as MRT Tirik and Train to Busan. Tignan nyo yung mga pictures na yan. And now, may mga bagong bagon na tayo. Papel na lisensya. Remember? No more backlogs on issuance of driver's licenses. And it is extended to 10 years. Republika ng walang plaka. Now, we bought a lot of machines. So, tayo na mismo yung gumagawa. Ayan. Dilapidated ang mga seaports and airports. Unrepaired. Now, 233 airport projects are completed and 484 seaport projects completed. Tingnan nyo yung PNR before. Ganyan dati, oh, yung tsura ng PNR. Nabubulok. This is the PNR now. Situation ng EDSA, Carmageddon, look. Ganyan dati, normal lang yan before, baka nakalimutan nyo. And now with the bus rapid transit na ginawa, yung bus lane, ayan, yan na yung EDSA. So, yun na lang muna.